Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Marissa and welcome to this video where I will be talking about the highest paying and best side hustles of 2019 so that you can easily make money from home or make money on the side in a really simple fashion. I got some really cool ideas for you in this video. I was able to do a research on a couple of new things that I even learned. So go ahead and stay tuned for this video right after this. Alright, welcome back to the video everybody. Once again, my name is Marissa Romero, and on this channel, if it is your first time to this channel, what you can expect is me talking about how to build an online business, whether you're a beginner, you are an intermediate marketer, or just simply are needing a place to start. This channel is the channel just for that. And I go over technical things like what you'll need, the tools you'll need in your online business. Other topics that I incorporate are things such as self-growth in business. I incorporate videos of my worldwide travel adventures. So if any of that is your jam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell because I'm uploading very consistently, and I do my best to deliver the highest possible value to you guys. So if you're somebody ready to make some money on the side and wanting to bring in extra income every single month, especially with the new year coming up in 2019, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments after this video which side hustle seems the most appealing to you. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with the first website that I recommend to actually work from home. You can easily do this from simply a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection, and that is a website called Ebates. Now, I've talked about Ebates in the past, but Ebates is a website where you can shop online for pretty much anything. It's kind of like Amazon in a way, but the best part about Ebates is when you buy stuff online, you can easily get cash back. And the other great thing about Ebates is you can be an affiliate for Ebates, so they have a referral program. And of course, if you're obsessed with affiliate marketing like I am, because affiliate marketing is my full-time job on YouTube, you can make commissions for people that you refer to Ebates. It's really incredible. So you can start easily with all your family members, because everybody needs to shop online, especially with the Christmas season coming up. You can do all your online shopping, get all your gifts on Ebates. You can do all your online shopping on Ebates. It's pretty incredible. Sometimes they have promotions up to 11% cash back. You get paid with PayPal. There's no yearly fee, and you can get paid by check or through PayPal. So you really can't beat this option of Ebates. And again, don't worry about writing these down. I will link all these in the description for you guys to check out later. Okay, the second and highest paying job that I recommend and that I did research on is a company called Respondent, and the website is respondent.io, and you can make up to $80 to $140 an hour simply by reviewing products of companies that have new products being introduced into the marketplace. So companies are looking for qualified people to review their products, give feedback on the sizing, the weight, the specifications, the colors, really anything you can do. And you want to go ahead and choose a product that you resonate with. So like if you're into beauty, you want to choose a beauty company that has new products coming out, and vice versa. So they have health, fitness, any type of product you can imagine in the marketplace, you can choose from on this website. And I think you have to apply. It's free to get started. The only requirement is you have to be 18 years old. And so I know when you receive the product that you do have to do some type of write-up on it. I mean, $80 to $140 an hour is a lot of money. That's more money that I made as an engineer, and so it does require work, but you can do this from home, and it's really a great option. So I'll leave the link to Respondent down in the description below. I know you guys might be looking at my hair right now and notice it's kind of flowing in the wind. This apartment is in Medellin, Colombia. That's where I am at the making of this video, and I have the windows open. We're on the 20th floor, and so the wind is like coming through, and so hence the wind. Anyways, back to the side hustles of 2019. The next site that I recommend is Upwork.com. I absolutely love Upwork because there's pretty much any type of virtual skill you can find on the platform. So you could hire people, and you can also sign up to work on Upwork. And I think there is a small fee to get started. It's maybe 20 or 30 bucks to get started. It's not a residual fee that you have to pay. It's kind of a one-time fee, but it's well worth it because once you get your name out there and you start doing work for different businesses, for whatever skill set you have. You could be, for example, a virtual assistant. You can do graphic design, video. Let's say you have a skill set with building websites or doing HTML code. There's something really on Upwork for everybody in like the online digital marketing space. There's so many different things that you can get into, and it's really cool because when you sign up for Upwork and say you want to do a virtual assistant position and help somebody with their everyday tasks, helping a business out, you get to negotiate, based on your experience, you get to negotiate your salary, and it's a pretty cool deal. So I highly recommend Upwork in getting started and getting your feet wet with being a freelancer of any type of topic and any type of skill set that you might have. The next side hustle that I must mention, even though it's not really work from home, and that is Lyft. Now, I mentioned Lyft and not Uber just because I applied to work for Lyft, and I didn't work for Lyft because I just didn't want to. And I was at a point in my business where I was struggling, but I was too stubborn to want to go and like drive and and go through the application process. But I really wanted to do it, but I was stubborn and just kind of was on my grind and was working 18 hours a day. So, but Lyft is super cool because they're pretty much every month they have sign-up bonuses where you can earn anywhere from an extra 300 bucks to 1,000 or even more dollars as a bonus just for signing up, as long as you meet a specific amount of miles or a specific number of rides that you give to people. But I really liked the process when I was applying for Lyft. Like, your car had to be newer than 2005, everything had to be functioning properly. You had to go get your car inspected. The application process was easy. You applied online. You just kind of gave a very brief background on who you are. And so really, the opportunity was really cool because, the higher your ratings are, the more basically you can get paid just with promotional stuff and with tips and all that cool stuff. And obviously you can choose, if you want to maximize the amount you make, you can choose to work in the rush hours, for example, on the weekends, at nights, or early in the morning when it's rush hour in the morning for people going to work or coming home late from a party. The demand for Uber and Lyft all around the world is only going to go up, and so if you're interested, I almost did it, and I know plenty of entrepreneurs who did it. I would highly recommend applying for Lyft if you're capable and have the car and the capacity to do so. Alright, the last side hustle that I recommend to make money in 2019, this one's a little bit different, and this is with a company called Turo. You can go to Turo.com, Turo.com. And this is interesting because you can actually rent your car out to people. So if you're somebody who doesn't use their car that much, or maybe you're a stay-at-home mom, or maybe you only use your car during the weekends or something like that, and you don't need it at specific time frames, you can rent out your car to people and negotiate the price per hour on how much you want to make. I mean, why not? I mean, I do understand you have to have some trust, and you have to have a different opinion and mentality with renting out your car to other people, but I think it's an excellent option for those of you that don't use your car that much, and you don't have to do anything except lend your car out. You have to go through the application process at first, but after that it's literally no work on your end, and you really don't have to work from home. You just kind of lend out your car and get the money from the people that pay you. So I know the only requirements is that you have to be 18 years or older, and like I said, you can negotiate the price per hour that you want to rent out your car, based on the demand and the time of day and all that great stuff. Okay guys, I hope this video maybe gave you an idea of something you can do next year. I know we're headed into the new year, and I mean, everybody is trying to make, save up make that extra cash. And I hope this video gave you guys some ideas. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all. I'll be happy to answer them. And of course, let me know if there's anything I talked about today that may have been new to you and that gave you a new idea for a new side hustle in the new year. Alright guys, so again, I appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you got any value at all. I'm Marissa Romero, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.